Gusto mo bang kumita gamit ang cellphone o laptop mo? Gusto mo bang magkaroon ng pagkakakitaan ngayon kahit nasa bahay ka lang, office o kahit saan sulok ka ng mundo? Hi, my name is Vince. I am an affiliate manager of Melbet and thank you for your interest sa pagiging isang master affiliate or mas alam bilang online casino agent. Now, I will teach you how you can earn as much as 4 to 7 digits weekly sa pagiging master affiliate. Oo, tama ang narinig mo. 4 to 7 digits weekly. Paano? First, you don't need any capital or investment. Sipag at tiyaga lang puhunan dito. All you need to do sa pagiging affiliate is to post or invite player to play on our platform using your registered promo code. Then, you will start getting commissions. For example, you are now an affiliate and you have invited 10 players. Those 10 players cashed in 1,000 pesos each and played on our site. Remember, gambling is a game of luck. Let's pretend that they all lose 1,000 pesos each. By the end of the week, we will calculate those sales. This means the losses of your players. So on the example above, let's say that your total sales is 10,000 pesos. It will be computed like this. 10,000 pesos times 40% equals to 4,000 pesos will be sent to your e-wallet. So the more players you invite, the more chances of getting higher commissions. But again, take note, this is a game of luck. So it means not all the time is panalo or talo. But for your information, as of now, our average affiliate are getting minimum of 4,000 to 12,000 pesos weekly on commissions. So, ano pa hinihintay mo? Team Melbet PH has exactly what you're looking for. A team that you deserve and a team that shines. Kaya, sali na!